Oh, good morning. So this morning we're up on the Central Coast, just north of Sydney. We are up at a place called Catherine Hill Bay. And Catherine Hill Bay is kind of famous for having a gorgeous old, very old jetty, a pier, which is no longer used, but used to be used for well, I'm pretty sure it was a lot of the old coal exports. So traverse along the beach here, and on the southern end of the beach we're going to find a big old pier. So hopefully we get some light this morning and a bit of a scene to shoot. Let's see what we get. See you soon. Well, good morning. Tide's on the way out, so I'm right now shooting about a 3-minute exposure. I'm up to 2 minutes so far. Right now we've got some interesting clouds above us, which will make for an interesting sky. So anyway, right now I've just set up for a long exposure, kind of that minimalist sea again, you know, that almost misty sort of looking sea. And that's 2:55, so about another 5 seconds and we are good to go. Okay, let's check that one out. Okay, let's take a walk and see what we can find down here. Actually walking under the pier right now. It's actually quite busy today, which doesn't surprise me because, well, let me just show you what's behind us as well. We got a cliff face here. Looks like a little bit of a cave down there. Looks like we can get shots on both sides actually. There used to be an old chain, I'm sure it's still here, but it looks like it's probably buried under the sand here. I was here, oh my goodness, maybe 12 months ago, maybe even longer, and I managed to get a shot of the old chain, which was quite a nice leading line into the shot. I'll put that up on screen so you can have a look at it. Let's take a walk over here and see what we can find. Some old pillars, look kind of interesting. Looks like a bit of a cave in there. That would be interesting to get a shot maybe in the cave. And the pier itself. See what else we can find here. What a beautiful spot. Yeah, from here I guess we're a bit more scope to the jetty here. Perhaps. Let's see how this looks in the back of camera. Well, it's quite pretty, yeah? I don't know if you can see that or not. Let's see if we can get a shot here. I'm going to put you here. Let's just check that you can see what's going on. There we go. Alright, closer to these. Ideally what we would like is some nice waves to come in and around these rocks. Okay. Now what we're going to do is head back over to the other side where we started. So once again, we're just waiting for a wave to come in. Try and get some foam right here in front of these rocks. The rocks are looking spectacular. Make sure we got a focus point, and we just need a wave now. Here comes the sun. There we go. Nice, very nice. That's what we wanted. Here's another wave coming in. Got some nice foreground interest. Some action going on in the sky. Make sure we don't completely blow out the sun and get these little pieces of white foam moving around in the foreground. Nice, let's check it out. That's it for another week. I hope you enjoyed the shots. Let me know in the comments down below which one was your favourite. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Anyway, hope to see you again next week. Cheers.